Today we are creating a simple house skin inspired by FishScales. First, we build a basic cardboard house. Next, we cut a recycled plastic bottle into small rounded pieces. These pieces will act as fish scales. We attach them in overlapping layers. This creates protection just like in nature. After attaching all the layers, we lightly paint the surface to improve its appearance and add extra protection. Once the paint is dry, we test it with water. The water slides down the layered surface. We also test it with light to observe how the surface reacts. This project shows how biomimicry helps us design smarter and more sustainable solutions.